Hello and welcome to edutech, your daily English practice space where you can listen, repeat, and speak fluently with ease. In every lesson, you'll hear simple English sentences that you can listen carefully, repeat aloud, and learn to use in real life. This method helps you improve your pronunciation, build confidence, and speak naturally, just like a native speaker. Today's topic is all about your morning routine. So stay with me till the end, and let's start your day with English and positive energy. Let's begin.
Welcome to edutech, your daily English learning partner. Here, we make English simple, fun, and practical through real-life conversations. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss your daily English lesson. Subscribing supports our educational family and helps you improve step by step.
Good morning. How are you today? Now repeat after me. Good morning. How are you today? 2. I woke up early to start my day with positive energy. Say it with me. I woke up early to start my day with positive energy. You're doing great. Keep going. 3. The weather looks pleasant this morning. Your turn. The weather looks pleasant this morning. 4. I'm going to make some tea before work. Let's repeat together. I'm going to make some tea before work. Excellent. You're sounding more natural already. 5. Did you sleep well last night? Now you say it. Did you sleep well last night? 6. I like to start my morning with a short walk. Repeat after me. I like to start my morning with a short walk. Fantastic progress. Your English is getting smoother. 7. I need to check my schedule for today. Let's practice. I need to check my schedule for today. Now, your turn. Please pass me the newspaper. Nice work. You're doing amazing. Stay with me till the end. 9. I'm preparing breakfast for everyone. Repeat it slowly. I'm preparing breakfast for everyone. 10. I hope today brings good opportunities. Say it confidently. I hope today brings good opportunities. Beautiful. You've completed your morning English sentences. Good morning, team. Let's begin our meeting. Repeat now. Good morning, team. Let's begin our meeting. I have completed the report you requested. Repeat now. I have completed the report you requested. Could you please share the updated file? Repeat now. Could you please share the updated file? Let's discuss our goals for this week. Repeat now. Let's discuss our goals for this week.
Could you please share the updated file? Repeat now. Could you please share the updated file? Let's discuss our goals for this week. Repeat now. Let's discuss our goals for this week. I appreciate your quick response. Repeat now. I appreciate your quick response. I'll send the email after the meeting. Repeat now. I'll send the email after the meeting. The presentation went very well today. Repeat now. The presentation went very well today. Let me know if you need any help. Repeat now. Please let me know if you need any help. I'm taking a short coffee break. Repeat now. I'm taking a short coffee break. Let's wrap up the task before lunch. Repeat now. Let's wrap up the task before lunch. How have you been lately? Repeat now. How have you been lately? It's been a while since we met. Repeat now. It's been a while since we met. Would you like to grab a coffee this weekend? Repeat now. Would you like to grab a coffee this weekend? I really enjoy spending time with you. Repeat now. I really enjoy spending time with you. That sounds like a fun idea. Repeat now. That sounds like a fun idea. I heard you started a new job. Congratulations. Repeat now. I heard you started a new job. Congratulations. Let's plan a short trip together soon. Repeat now. Let's plan a short trip together soon. I really missed our conversations. Repeat now. I really missed our conversations. You always make me laugh. Repeat now. You always make me laugh. Take care, and text me when you're free. Repeat now. Take care, and text me when you're free.
That was a perfect finish. You've done an incredible job today. You just practiced real interview questions with clear, confident, and natural answers. Keep listening, keep reading, and keep repeating until you sound like a pro. Stay motivated. You're on your way to success.